Okay, so if you go to modules, you will see this one, number 2. Click on it, and I'm going to read it for those who might need a little more help understanding. If you don't, you can just disregard this video. So the question is, what is hard? Listen to, I'm sorry. What we're going to do is answer yes or no. It says listen, but you can also just go on your own if you don't need my assistance. So there are many things that are hard for students. Answer the following questions thinking, it is hard for me to. Okay, so what's your first name, last name? It is hard for me to email a teacher or know how to correctly type an email. Is that a yes or a no? You just check it. Talk to a teacher or ask for help. It's hard for me to tell the teacher or other students you do not understand something. Number 4, it's hard to ask a teacher or student to talk slower. Number 5, do you think it's hard to ask the teacher to help you with an assignment? Number 6, do you think it's hard for you to join a Zoom meeting? And number 7 goes along with that. Is it hard to know how to share my screen on Zoom? Number 8, is it hard to talk in front of a class? Number 9, is it hard to understand what you read in English? 10, is it hard for you to use correct spelling and grammar when writing? Is that difficult for you? 11, is it hard for you to write essays? And even if it's sometimes, check yes. Is it hard for you to understand what is being said when someone is speaking? Is it hard to finish a test or a quiz in the given time that your teacher gives you? Is it hard for you to keep up with the teacher's lesson? Number 15, is it hard to do tests or assignments with lots of questions because it overwhelms you? So in other words, a 50-question test. Does that overwhelm you? Is it hard not being able to read the test without some help? So if it's hard for you to do the test on your own, check yes. Is it hard to understand the directions when they're given? I don't know why others here. It should be yes or no. Is it hard to keep up with note-taking? Is it hard to read pages with a lot of print? So a lot of words on a page. 20. Is it hard to understand what the teacher is expecting me to do? What the end product should look like? So when you're given an assignment, are you confused about what it's supposed to be at the end when you get graded? 21. Is it hard to understand what I am supposed to be learning because I have no background knowledge about the subject? So for example, learning about American history. It is hard to understand how to use a dictionary or a thesaurus. It is hard to understand how to use Canvas. And finally, is there anything else you can think of that is hard to do in school? And then